Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Derek Austin's Level Up Travel. And this is a true welcome back. Please welcome me back, and I'm welcoming you back. I have not been posting a video for about a month now. A lot of my regulars, fans of the channel, would probably already know that. If you're seeing this for the first time, you might not have noticed. But anyway, you know I love to talk about points, miles, rewards, credit cards in general. You know, I love to talk about cash back. I love to talk about the hotel programs, airline programs, the credit card programs like American Express membership rewards points, Chase Ultimate Rewards points, Citi Thank You points, Capital One miles, and US Bank Altitude Reserve points. I love to talk about all those things, but I also love to talk about travel. So guys, again, today, I'm welcoming you back, hoping you're welcoming me back. You'll see that I'm in a different setting. I am actually in a Vacasa. So using Wyndham Rewards points, staying in Vacasa for a little bit. But anyway, things have been going on a little bit in my life, so I haven't been able to do videos, but gonna try to do some more videos going forward. So today I want to talk about my favorite card of 2022. It was the same card that I had as my favorite card of 2021, and I think the best card for the most amount of people, and that's a US Bank Altitude Reserve. Here you'll see it on my phone. I won't block up the number there, but it's a US Bank Altitude Reserve. You'll see it on my mobile wallet payment, but yeah, you might not be able to see it, but that's where you use it the most. The physical card you use a lot less. You can use it on travel and always get 3x, but yeah, special card, guys. So the reason why, now it might not be the best card for you specifically. If you're like a crazy traveler traveling all the time, this would still be a good card, but not maybe the best card. But this also will be great for people that don't travel at all, people that travel sometimes. Yeah, again, you don't even have to travel at all to take full advantage of this credit card, okay? So fantastic card. So the reason why this card is special, okay, there's two real reasons. Mobile wallet payment, that's on the earn. You'll get about 80% of your purchases that you make in stores, be able to take mobile wallet payments. You get 3x on those categories. And then when you compare it to the other thing that makes it special, real-time rewards, you can get 4.5% cash back, even in a form of a statement credit, if you're traveling or not traveling. And I'll explain that in a little bit. So mobile wallet payments, guys, you can use it at so many places. Your grocery stores, most of them take it. I'd say like 80% of the grocery stores I go to take it. Most restaurants, especially pickup, takeout, they take it. You know, like Uber takes it, Uber Eats takes it, all those, DoorDash takes it, all those online apps take it. Going into stores, they almost all take it. Most of your gas stations will have that little symbol where you can take it right at the pump, use your mobile wallet payment, put it up against the thing, and do your little tap, show your face or your code, and then you get the 3x, okay? Which is, again, 4.5%, right? So fantastic. You can use it at Best Buy, Costco, so many places. Again, 80% of the places that I make purchases at, I can do it. About 50% of the places online take Apple Pay or Samsung Pay or that kind of pay. So it even works there. Those is a little tricky. You do have to use on your phone, right? Because that's where your mobile wallet payment is housed, right? So you have to make those purchases there. So that is the mobile wallet payment part, and it is awesome. Again, 3x, which is 4.5% cash back. Now the other side is where you will burn those points, right? Real-time rewards is the best buy. There is the travel portal. You get 1.5 cents per point booking travel. That is great, and for some people that will be excellent. Real-time rewards, you do not have to travel at all, okay? And you can also use it for different types of travel, okay? So here's one of the things that maybe a redemption that you usually can't use. Say like, you know, the Chase Sapphire Reserve, right? 1.5 cents per point too, right? But can you use it at Uber? Yeah, you can use it for this. You can. The US Bank Altitude Reserve, make your Uber purchase, and then you'll get a text message for real-time rewards saying, do you want to use this as many points to cover this purchase? And you'll get it at 1.5 cents per point. So people like people in the city that take Uber rides all the time, maybe you go back and forth to the airport or something like that, yeah, you'll be able to make redemptions out of that, where other people wouldn't. So that is awesome. Of course, you can always redeem it on airfare or any kind of purchases to cover your purchases, like hotels and stuff like that as well. Anything that is coded as travel, that will work. Here's one of the cool things. So if you don't travel at all, right, and say you've got $1,000 worth of points, let's just make it easier, like the bonuses, 50,000 points equals $750. So you want to do a $750 flight and you got 50,000 points, right? You go ahead and make the purchase for $750 ticket, and it will come up with a little text message saying, do you want to cover this purchase with your altitude reserve points? And it will be 50,000 for $750, and you say yes. Here's one little thing though that you have to always think about when you're using it. You have to have at least the amount that to cover the entire purchase. Like if you had a $750 flight and you had $740 or $49 worth of points, it will not trigger it. You can't redeem it, okay? So you have to get the ticket below that, okay? How many points you have, what it's worth. So that is a little caveat that you can't do. So you can't do partial redemptions, right? So that's the little negative part about it. But so let's just say you found a $750 flight even, you had 50,000 points even, you made the purchase, you have no intention of making that flight, right? You're just trying to get that redemption. This is the little trick here. So I always went to Delta. You have 24 hours to cancel your flight. It will fully refund it, right? So you make the purchase, $750 with your altitude reserve point. You can actually use the physical card, type it in, right? You don't have to use a mobile wallet payment. Then you get a text message saying, would you like to cover it? You say yes. At that point, they're going to take away all the points you just had. They're going to you'll see a statement of credit immediately before it even doesn't even have to be processed. Immediately goes $750 credit to your account. Then you can go back whenever you want, within 24 hours now. I do it almost right away. Go back and say Delta or whatever airline you were using to do this, right? It doesn't really matter. And cancel the flight. The pending charge of $750 will eventually go away. The $750 credit will be applied. You just made a redemption for $750. So people that don't even travel, as long as you do this method, you can easily use it at any point. I've also found an easy way to do lower redemption, say like a $50 redemption, $30 redemption. Uber, right? Book your ride real quick. You'll get, as soon as you book your ride, cancel it right away before anyone can even take it. That same type of thing it'll be a pending charge. It will go away. You can then say, yes, I do want to redeem this $30 thing for so many points, like 20,000 points or whatever it is, and you'll get a redemption. That way you don't have to travel on Uber, so that's another easy way to make that redemption besides the airline one, okay? So those are a couple cool things, but that's an easy way for people that don't even travel to get redemption and get 1.5 cents per point. And on the other side, of course, you can make the mobile wallet payments anywhere, right? Now, there's a $325 travel credit that you get every year, but it also can be used at restaurants, okay? Try to use mobile wallet payment. Even if it doesn't work, you could still have $325 at restaurants or travel that get wiped out of $325 because the annual fee is $400. So $325 out, you can easily justify that and get it down to $75 effective annual fee. Don't even have to travel. You can be just, again, people that go to their local restaurants can redeem it there, or get or yeah, redeem it there. You redeem that travel credit that you get every year. Fantastic. So now you have all the travel protections if you're a traveler. Okay, you have trip delay, you have baggage insurance, you also have purchase protections, also the return protection of $300, right? All the stuff that things like the Sapphire Reserve have and other premium, super premium cards have. This card has it. So if you ever do need a rental car, right, either you're a traveler or not traveler, primary rental car coverage up to $75,000. That is collision damage waiver. It doesn't have liability. No cards have liability. Okay, that usually goes on their liability insurance, or it could be transferred over from your personal insurance. But that is something you have to discuss with your agent, your insurance agent, or something like that. But the CDW part, the actual vehicle, is covered. So that's pretty fantastic. Also has all those evacuation coverages and all that stuff. So there is some stuff for people that don't travel, like the purchase protection, return protection, right, and other things like that. But it's fantastic. Visa Infinite card. Again, $75 annual fee. We just talked about a whole bunch of things, but the big parts about it is, again, that the travel credit that you get every year, you can use at restaurants or travel. So people that stay home or travelers can use it very easily. Using the Apple Pay or mobile wallet payments, you're getting 3x on almost every, like 80% of what you're going to buy. Fantastic, amazing, right? And then on redemptions, you're doing real-time rewards. We talked about it. You don't even have to travel. You can just book a flight, cancel it, have a big redemptions, or you can do it on Uber does not work on Uber Eats, by the way, the redemption side. Uber, you can do that, cancel your trip right away, have smaller redemptions. So yeah, you do not have to travel. You can if you do, but it's great for everybody. You're getting quality earning with that 80% of the mobile wallet payments, and you're having a quality redemption of 1.5%, 1.5 cents per point redemption on anything. You can easily do it using my method that you were talking about with Delta and Uber. But hey, amazing card. That's why I think it's the #1 card for me. Again, this is more of the thing, right? Yeah, the mobile wallet payment, but that's why I think the card is #1, because it's so good for everybody. Okay, there might be other cards that might be better for you, but overall, if you're just talking about the mass of people, this is the best card for you. Now, $75 annual fee. I've heard that almost every time. I haven't got to my annual fee yet, but you just call up and you complain and say you're going to cancel the card, and I heard that pretty much everybody gets 10,000 points worth, $150, by just calling up and saying, I'm not sure if I want to keep this, and they'll do a retention offer of 10,000 points. Now you're looking at a profit of 75. So, but that's not a guarantee. We'll have to see about that, right? So that's my favorite card. What do you think about the video, guys? Again, sorry I haven't been having too many videos. Again, I'm going to have some more videos going forward. But what do you think about this card? Do you think it's a good card for you? I think it's a good card for anybody, right? Do you think this is the best card for the masses, right? And what is the best card for you? Okay, what do you think is the best card for you, and why? How does it compare to this, and why do you think it's better for you than this card is? Okay, so anyway, guys, please like the video, hit the subscribe button, and hit that bell notification so every time that I come out with another video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for supporting me even this time when I wasn't even producing any videos. But I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.